Hey DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making vintage art blocks using art that you can print out from your computer. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make some vintage art blocks. Americana Decor texture medium comes in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.